He said, "My God, this is so expensive, blah blah blah," and they got frightened.
Will you have
Okay,
any
so-
way for people who love you to donate? Is there a
Yes.
way? Is there any website?
Yes, www.nicanorperlas.com. There is a
Meron na.
portal for PayPal.
Bank deposit yun? Or
Yeah.
PayPal?
Ang peso also, peso.
PayPal.
Peso
Yeah.
na, I think.
Peso meron
PayPal.
na din.
I think
There's a bank account.
there's a bank account you can deposit.
Yeah, because some people like to donate now.
Yeah, that'd be great. And I think for Blogwatch, maybe a message for Blogwatch.
Yes.
Just for all of you from Blogwatch, I just really want to encourage your continued coverage of all the presidential candidates. It's really important that people be given a conscious, clear choice to actually discern who's the best candidate for this country. And above all, I really think presidential candidates have the moral responsibility to the Filipino people and to the voters to lay out their vision for this country, not in general terms, in concrete terms, and to actually establish that in fact they have a track record to actually carry out that vision. And that they're not going to be surrounded in their parties by people with very different kinds of track records. I think this has to be all investigated because
That's not the purpose.
this is the whole importance to make this the most conscious, the most reflective, the most mature elections that we've ever had in the history of this country. That's my message to
That's why we set up
Blogwatch.
Blogwatch.
That's great. Yeah. Sige.